This app that I would like to share is called Offtime. And instead of using technology, it actually wants you to turn it off. Not turn it off, but set a timer to where it's disconnected. The kids aren't looking at it. It's so they can actually listen to your lecture and not just be on their phone, on TikTok, or something that they're not supposed to be doing in the middle of class. So it gets you off, gets you to pay attention and see what they're missing. The app is for both Android and iOS devices, and you can set timer limits for just, give me 15 minutes. I want you to listen to this lecture, and then it's blocked. They're not on there. I think it's a great app. I think it gives you some control back. They get quality time right here as it's listed to listen to the lecture. I felt that one of the standards that it kind of fit was the IST for education 3C.